Understand it first. Subject English. Chapter Odd Man Out. Hi children. Let's learn and play. I will show you some pictures on the screen. You have to guess and tell which is the odd man out. Odd man out म्हणजे काय ते माहीत आहे ना तुम्हाला? गटात न बसणारा शब्द आपण ओळखायचा आहे. आता सांगा. ॲपल, ॲन्ट, ॲक्स, बॅट. बॅट. बरोबर. बाकीचे शब्द ए पासून सुरू होतात. बॅट बी पासून सुरू होतो म्हणून तो ऑड मॅन आउट आहे. आता पुढचे गट पाहू. एग, एलिफंट, कॅट, engine, cat, oil, orange, cow, and ox, cow, hat, umbrella, umpire, up, hat, ink pot, injection, insects, dog, dog, bat, ball, balloon, cake, cake, fan, finger, dog, flower, dog, hut, hat, house, girl, girl. Very good children. Now you have understood how to find the odd man out. The words in a group have something common in them. The word which is different is odd man out.